Hi, it's Bren with Addicted to Cricut again, and I'm just going to do a really short video on making sure that we understand how cards need to be laid out, okay, if we're going to make a card. I've been working on this one, so I just thought I'd use it as a great example. First of all, you have to have your card backing, and I measured mine to 11.5 by 5.5, which is a normal, I think it's called an A2, so it'll fit an A2 envelope. That's perfect. Next, we have the score line, okay? We need to get that in right. And so what I do is I put it in there, and then I put a box around it, and I align it center. Okay. Now, if I go and I want to make it now, let's go to make it. My card, and whoops, and my score line, whoops, wait a minute, the score line's right here, are not together. We have to attach that score line to make it a score line right where we want it. Okay, let's go back to the card. So now the score line's there. That's where we want it. Okay, so you have to attach that together. Now, this and this are going to go together. Okay, but first I want to put in my letters, and these are handwritten letters. I chose a writing style, and you can kind of see that by, let's see, where's the one I chose? Where is it? Should they call it algebra? Here it is, and it says writing right there, see it? Not all of them are for writing. Some of them are for cutting. You want to have a writing style in there. So in order for me to be able to get this to stay on there right where I want it, once again, I have to attach it. Okay, so now let's go and see what's happening here. Okay, it's attached on there. That's what I want. Let's go back. Now I want my bike on here too, just like that. And I want those attached. So that's going to be all one thing. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this separate and then glue it on here. Okay? So let's choose Make It. My words are right where they're supposed to be. This is connected to it. And my score line's here. So everything has to be attached. Okay? The lettering has to be attached to what you want it to go to, okay? Otherwise, if you just line up your lettering in here and you don't attach it, which kind of is like concreting it into that one space, it's going to go all over the place. Cricut's just going to put it wherever it wants it to. Let me show you. Let's put in, let's put this in again. Let's see, together. Oops, come back here. I want this to go down here. Oops, I need this to go. I'm not doing very good. Okay. And I want to center that. I'm not sure how. It doesn't matter. Let's just put it up here. Okay, come on. We're going to make you a little bit smaller. We're going to put you right here. Okay? So we've got it all figured out where we want it, but when we come over to make it, it's going to throw it someplace completely different, okay? Now, what if we group it together? Now what's going to happen? It still is taking it out of there. It's not on the card at all. You have to attach it, okay? So I want to get rid of that. So go and try that and see if it works. Actually, when you do anything too, when you do anything different to this, it's going to bring it to the top. So we need to move that to the back so I can see it, so I can see how it lines up. And then I can make my project, and my card's ready to cut out, and my little thing's ready to cut out. And it's all together just right. Okay, I hope that helped. Let me know. Thanks.